Hello traders, today I want to share with you the top 10 reasons that traders lose money in Forex. Actually, it's not in Forex, in any type of online trading that you do. These are probably the main reasons that you cannot make any money. I've done it myself. I've had many of these problems. I've conquered some of them. I'm still working on some. So it's not like that everyone is like flawed and I'm perfect. No, there are so many reasons that you lose money, but these are probably the main ones that before you actually become a professional, before you even call yourself a professional trader, you have to conquer these, resolve them, and get rid of them. So there are three types of problems that all traders face during their journey from the start to become a professional trader. These are the things that I know. The first one are the personality problems and flaws. Some people are like a very patient people. Some people are not patient. Some people are very disciplined. Some people are not disciplined. Some people think very wisely and then evaluate the situations. Even outside of the trading environment, these people are very thoughtful and they don't do anything just like a random thoughts and things. These are different types of personalities that everyone has. So you must figure out, you must know yourself what kind of a person you are. And then if you are not the type of a person that is suitable for trading, you must work on your flaws. If you're not a patient person, if you want to jump in the market and then you want to take a trade in 1 minute and then you get out in the next minute, if you're not patient, so the price moves in your direction and then hits your target, you just get out as soon as you see a smallest amount of profit. If you get frustrated when you see a trade that goes in the wrong direction and you actually have a drawdown, these are type of a personality problems. You must find them, solve them. You must become like a robot in trading. No emotions. That's the first thing that I can see in the market. So the first problem of the personality problems is that you want to get rich quick. You think Forex is easy. You've lost bunch of money in different types of things, like I don't know, maybe you started a YouTube channel, maybe you had a Shopify account, maybe you started a website, I don't know, any kind of online thing that you've done. You lost money, you couldn't make any money, and then you thought, oh, let's go to Forex. Maybe you've just even discovered Forex or any trading. Or let's go there and make some money there. It's easy in 6 months. You've probably watched a couple of YouTube clips that they tell you, oh, it's easy. You can trade very easily with this indicator and that indicator and you make a lot of money. So you came here and then you thought, okay, in 6 months with $100, $20, I don't know, maybe $50, I can make $1 million. I can cover all of my losses. I can become a millionaire. But that's not the case. Getting rich quick, maybe some people have done it, I don't know. Outside of winning a lottery tickets, I don't think anyone stumbled upon any other way. Maybe some guys bought some cryptos when back in like 10, 15 years ago when they started this crypto journey and now they become millionaires or billionaires. I don't know. But generally, I don't consider myself as a special person. I don't think I have a special abilities. So I go with the norm of the market and the other people. So I work on myself. If you think you can get rich quick, that's the first problem. You must get that out of your head. It's not easy. It is simple. Trading is very simple, but it's definitely not easy. You must learn a lot of things. You must figure out which market is suitable for you. Maybe you don't like Forex. Maybe you like crypto market. Maybe you like futures market. There are different markets. Maybe you like commodities. Maybe you like a stock market. You have to figure out what type of a person you are. And then you pick one of these markets and start learning. It's not a get rich quick way of making money. That's the first personality problem. The second one is that you do not know where you are in your trading journey. You do not know how much you know about trading. It's like a GPS, you know. I'm definitely sure that you don't know where you're going because nothing is clear. No one gives you a 100% confirmed path and destination. But most of you don't even know where you are. If the GPS doesn't have a destination, it cannot give you a direct route to where you want to go. But if GPS doesn't have a start, that even more confusing. You don't know how much you know. You think just because you watched a couple of online YouTube clips and then maybe you read a bunch of blogs and you installed a MetaTrader and then you have some indicators. Oh, I know everything. It's just a moving average. It's just a MACD. It's just a stochastic. No, it's not hard. If it crosses, I buy. If it crosses down, I sell. Easy. If it was like that, everybody would be rich, don't you think? No one gives you a free path. All these indicators that are free, go to the trading view. There are like hundreds, thousands of indicators, amazing indicators for free for you to trade. Don't you think those companies that they have millions or maybe even billions of dollars at their disposal, they could make money with those indicators, and they just what? They thought, oh, let's share it with other people so they can make money. It's not like that. If it was easy, everybody would have done it. If it was that just to buy a cross you buy and buy another cross you sell, they could do it themselves. Why would they share it with us? It's not just a one indicator or two indicators. Okay, get that out of your head. You must know how much you know about the market. That's the first step. And you must know where you're going. You must pick a specific kind of market, focus on that. Then you can start learning about that market, about that kind of trading, about that strategy, about that indicator. Then you can, okay, I have progressed from this stage to next stage and next stage. Then you know what the problems are. It's like you go to a kung fu class. Oh, it's not good for 1 week, and then you quit. You go to karate class. Oh, it's not good. You go to the wushu. You go to jiu-jitsu. You cannot keep changing things, and then you expect, okay, I've picked up some of this one, some of that one, some of that one. I'm gonna be a good martial artist. No, you're not. You're not anyone. You're nobody. But you must pick one and focus on that and work on it for months and years. That's how you can win. So the next type of problems are like a mindset problems. The things that you must do but you don't. Like you don't have an actual strategy or a plan for entering or exiting a trade. You have some indicators, you have some charts, a program, and then you think, okay, anytime I can enter the market, anytime I can exit. You don't know what time frame you should trade. You don't know what indicators you should use. You don't know anything about multi-time frame trading. You have no strategy, and you keep changing your strategy. And there's so many free strategies online. You can go to Forex Factory. You can go to any of these Forex trading kind of websites, and you can download a bunch of indicators. They put it together and make it a system, and there is a PDF, and then you can start trading. But if it was that easy, they wouldn't share it with you. You must keep focusing on one strategy and trade it at least for 2-3 months to figure out what it does. Then you can find the flaws, find the problems, fix them, and move to the next stage. That's the first problem in the mindset problem, and the third problem that the traders have. The fourth problem, which is the second problem in the mindset problems, is that you do not pay for a course and you think you can learn trading by watching YouTube clips. All of the famous professional traders, they have, well, most of them probably have some YouTube channel or something, and they share lots of their trades and lots of their strategies, how they trade. Don't you think if it was like that and you could learn from those trading clips, those videos, they wouldn't have any other course online? Why would they sell like $1,000, $5,000 courses then on their website? if they have shared everything on their YouTube clips, why would they have like a $5,000 course, $2,000 course on their website? So there is something that they don't share it with you. They just give you like 5% or 10% of what they do, and you think that you can be a trader with that 5%, with that 10%. It's good to know, but 5% from this trader and 10% from that trader and 20% from this trader, that doesn't make you a trader. You're mixing different things. These people, these professional traders, they're different people. They trade different assets. They trade different markets. They have different time limits. You cannot mix and match and just conjure up a kind of a strategy for yourself. Just like going to gym. A bodybuilder, any kind of gym you go, you must have a coach, you must have a strategy, a plan, work on it every day to progress. You cannot keep changing these exercises and then you expect to have a very good body. It doesn't work like that. So paying for those courses, it's not a waste of money. It's investment. Yeah, maybe that course is not good for you. Yeah, maybe that course doesn't have that much value. Yeah, okay, 1, 2, 3, yeah, okay. But there will be, I'm sure I've done it, I've paid for it. In the 3, 4, or 5th course that you buy, that course, if you really work and focus on that course, that would make at least the money that you paid for it, plus some. Then you know, okay, this guy knew something, he made money with it, he shared it in this course, and I'm gonna learn it. It's not just a bunch of random clips. It's actually a course. Tells you everything about the strategy that this guy trades. How to enter, what to use, when to use it, how to get out. Everything is just packaged in a course. Buy 1, buy 2, buy 3 courses, one by one. Work on it for 3 to 6 months or a year. That's not a waste of time. It's just investment. Save some money, buy a course. Don't just watch YouTube clips. It doesn't work like that. These are the 4 problems that you have in the mindset and personality problems. Now we come to the technical and actual trading problems. Let's say you have a course. Let's say you've bought some very good course from a professional trader, a very famous guy that you know and you're sure that this guy is making a lot of money online, okay? You bought a course. You're working on it, you studied it, you watch the clips, and you have everything. You install the template or indicators, whatever it has. Now there's different type of problems. You keep changing your trading strategy. Because you bought 3 or 4 courses, you keep switching between these courses. You keep switching between indicators. You keep switching between the brokers even. You might, maybe one course, one strategy, every strategy is like that, has a losing period, has a winning period. Maybe just because now the market is flat, this strategy actually works in a trending market. The market is not trending now, it's actually flat. It's like a sideways market. So of course this strategy is not going to work on that, and you might have some losing trades, but that doesn't mean that you can discard it. Keep trading with it. Keep trading with it. Take all the signals that this strategy gives you, and through a period of time, maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months, you have at least 50 to 100 trades exactly based on that strategy. Then you can evaluate, okay, this strategy was not good or was not good for me, or it doesn't fit my personality. But you can't just figure that out in 2 trades or 5 trades because you had 5 losing trades. You must trade with that. I prefer to have 100 trades so you can get the actual percentage of how many winning trades you had, how many losing trades you had, and then you can say, okay, this course was good, I learned something from it, but not for me, I'll move to another one. Do not change your indicators or strategies or templates just because you don't like it. There's so many of them free online. That's why most of the traders, they just download it and install it and then trade with it in 1 day, 2 trades, and they don't like it. This is the 5th one. The 6th problem, which is the second problem in the technical, is that you do not have an exit strategy. Let's say you follow a strategy, you have a good one, you follow it to the heart, you actually take a trade based exactly on that strategy, but you don't exit based on that exit strategy. As soon as the market goes into a profit, $1, $2 based on your balance, because you don't want to lose that profit, you get out. But there was no exit signal based on that strategy. Or as soon as the market goes into negative, $1, $2, $5, $10, oh no, I have to get out. That's not the way that you must trade. You must have an exit strategy. Putting in a stop loss is probably one of the best ways. Or at least you must have an area. If the price gets to that area, reaches that zone, either it's like a trend line or a support and resistance line, you must get out. But before the price gets to that zone, gets to that area, you shouldn't get out. You must give the market some time to move. Yeah, the price might go to negative. That's alright. Let it hit your target. Even let it hit your stop loss. That's okay. That's a calculated risk. Your calculated risk was like a 3% of your balance, and you put your stop loss in the place, and you decided on a certain amount of lot size based on that 3%. So whenever the market hits your stop loss, you're gonna lose 3%. That's okay. That's a calculated risk. Once, twice, 3 times, it's okay. But in the long run, if you have a 60-70% win rate, you're gonna conquer those losses. Do not get into the market without having an exit strategy. The seventh problem is that you have no money management. You enter with a big lot size, full margin, and you think, I'm gonna make money in 1 week or 1 month. I'm gonna double my money every day. Not gonna happen. At least not at the start. You must have a money management plan. Probably the most important thing about the trading is money management. There are certain cases that the couple of guys in a university, they started this random trading, but based on a very strict rules of money management. And they could make 20% per month profit only by random trading, just entering the market anytime in any direction. But because the money management was so good, they could make 20% profit. You must have a money management system in place. You must decide on what lot size you're gonna enter to the market based on your stop loss that you set. The eighth problem is that you do not have or set a stop loss. You have a stop loss, you know what to do, you decided on your lot size, but you don't actually set it. That's another problem. The next problem is that you move your stop loss. The price gets close to your stop loss, and I've done it many times. You drag your stop loss lower and lower and lower. I don't want that the price hits my stop loss because you entered with a big lot size, and that loss gonna be very big, maybe 30, 40, 50% of your balance. And you don't want it to happen. The tolerance of that failure is too much for you. The mind game is very important here. When your trade goes into negative, your mind starts playing with you. Move your stop loss. You cannot tolerate this much pain. You keep moving and moving and moving, and a trade that could be like a 3% or 5% loss, it just becomes a call margin, and then you blow up your account. I've blown up my accounts maybe, I don't know, 50 times. Different brokers. Don't move your stop loss after you set it. When you set your stop loss, you enter to the market with that trade with a specific amount of lot size. If you move your stop loss, because you cannot change your lot size anymore, you're in the market, your loss gonna be way bigger than you calculated it. A calculated risk is okay. It's based on your strategy. But the uncalculated risk, because you moved your stop loss, because of the pain that you cannot tolerate, is just a sloppy work. And you will lose your account. Yeah, it might work for once or twice and price may just goes back up and hits your target. Yeah, it happens. But in like a 10 trades, 15 trades, 20 trades, it's it's enough if it goes against your direction, against your trade just once, and you will lose your account. You will get a call margin because you moved your stop loss. So make a rule. Set your stop loss first. Second, do not move your stop loss. Set it, just forget it. Now, the other thing and the last problem that I've seen is that you are not patient enough to wait for the right entry signal. You have a strategy. You know what to do. You have all the indicators and all the systems in place, and you cannot wait until the market gives you a proper signal. Maybe your strategy is when the MACD does this and the moving average does that and the stochastic is this way, or that algo, I don't know, the new AI indicator gives you a signal, are gonna enter the market. But 3 of them are done, but there are 2 more signals that you need and it's not in place. So you don't have the actual 100% entry signal, maybe 60%, 70% accuracy. But because you're not patient, maybe you're in a hurry, maybe you don't have time, maybe you're tired, maybe, I don't know. You don't enter at the proper time. You take a trade very soon, or you enter the market very late. You have everything figured out, except that you do not plan your trades. You do not wait until the market gives you a proper signal. This is probably one of the worst ones. You do it every time when you enter the market. Be patient. You do not need 10 trades a day. You need 1 or 2 maybe to hit your target. So for one good trade, you must be patient to find the best entry. You must be like a sniper. Wait and wait and wait until you get the best signal. You analyze the market. If all the conditions were met, if all of these indicators exactly were as the strategy says, then you take a trade. Even after all of these calculations, the market might go in another direction and hit your stop loss. This is where I say the price hitting your stop is okay, because you entered at the best possible point, time and price. But still, market can go anywhere it wants. That's alright. But because you did a calculated risk and you entered at the best position, you can keep repeating this, and overall in the next 50 to 100 trades, you're gonna come out, I don't know, maybe 60, 70, 80% of the time right, and then you can make some money. So be patient and wait for the right entry signal. I hope you enjoyed this clip, and I hope you take some time, work on yourself, find these problems, list them, and start working on them. If you're not a disciplined person, probably you should start doing some things every day to make yourself a disciplined person. You cannot be a disciplined trader without being a disciplined person. If in your daily life you're not disciplined, you do not follow these orders every day. You cannot follow one thing, doing it every day. You cannot be a professional trader. You must be a disciplined person. You must have a plan. You must be patient. If you're not patient when you're in the traffic and you always want to find the fastest route, you cannot be patient when the price goes against you. You cannot be patient when you're trading in the market. You must be a patient person to become a patient trader. So take some time off, work on these problems, find them in yourself, know yourself good. If you have one of these problems, work on it and practice some time. Start trading again to see how far have you come. If you still have a problem, maybe you should take another course. Maybe you should find another instructor. Maybe you need a coach to teach you some of these things. Maybe you even need to get a, I don't know, psychology analysis of your mind. Go to see a therapist. Share your problems. Say, I have this problem. I'm not a disciplined person. I'm a very sloppy person. I don't follow through with my plans. I'm a very good starter, but I cannot finish. Find these problems and then share with someone, a professional, and I'm sure you can resolve these problems very soon and you become a professional trader. I hope you enjoyed this clip, and I hope you fix all those problems, and I hope to see you become rich trading Forex. If you have enjoyed this clip, please share it with your friends. And if you like me to continue this, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you become a professional trader one day. Have a good time.